What's up guys, today we're going to do a tutorial on how to do finger lighthouse. So for this trick, you want a kendama that does not have a hole in the base cup, so one that's just a normal base cup, so it's flat. You want there to be a level surface. So to start this trick, you pull up like you would do lighthouse. But instead of that, you do it on your finger. So how you position your hand is you want to hold it like a normal lighthouse, how you do normal lighthouse. In the regular Tama grip, stick out one finger, I do pointer finger, and turn your wrist 90 degrees, counterclockwise. So it might feel a little weird at first. I would suggest balancing ken on your finger first to get a feel of it. Then when you feel comfortable, you can try doing it from pull up. Or you can do one turn, which I like to do more. And when you place the ken on your finger, the base cup should be resting on the flat part of your finger, not your fingernail. Because on your fingernail, there's less space for it to balance. Also, it doesn't matter what finger you use, but I figure the pointer finger is the easiest. But you can do any other finger, I guess. Except maybe the thumb would be kind of awkward. And once you get the trick down, you can end it in any way. You can end it by just falling in. You can end it with a juggle to spike, it doesn't matter. But that's basically the trick. Hope you guys like the tutorial. Let me know other videos you want to see in the future, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.